Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel Tech Trend Trade. In this video, we will learn how to add a watch list into Tradingview or how we can import a watch list from an Excel file. Generally, if we want to add a stock into this watch list, we will go to the plus sign and we will search the respective share in the search bar. If I want to add Reliance, I will search Reliance and I will just add it, and it will get added to the watch list. Same time, if I want to add the Nifty 50 or Nifty 200 stocks, where the number of stocks are more, adding the stocks one by one will be very time consuming. But this can be done in a very simple method. For this, we will first go to the website nseindia.com. In nseindia.com, we will select market data and then select equity and SME market. Here we get an option to select the various list of stocks like Nifty 50 or Nifty 200. Suppose let's try adding Nifty 200 stocks. So I will select Nifty 200. Once I select that one, I can see a download option on the right side, which will be in the CSV format. So I will click the download. Once the download is completed, we will open the file. For this process, we only need the simple, so we can remove all the other columns. So we will select the entire column and we will delete it. Also, we can remove the first two rows, as this is also not necessary, so we will remove the first two rows as well. Now, in the next column, we will first put a comma. After this, we will drag it down to the last share. Once this is done, in the second column, we will put a formula equal to, we will put the first cell and we will type and then we will put second cell and then enter. Once this is done, just like we did before, we will drag it till the last share. After this, we will right click and copy. So once we copied the list of shares, we will come back to Tradingview, and in our watch list we will go to the plus sign, and in the search bar we will paste those shares and we will click enter. Now you can see the entire list of shares has been populated in our new watch list. So this is how we import an Excel into Tradingview. So this takes hardly less than 1 minute. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and stay tuned, we will be coming up with more exciting videos. Till then, bye for now. Thank you.